The era of clunky VR is officially dead. For years, we've been told that virtual reality was a gimmick, a heavy plastic box strapped to your face that made you dizzy and isolated you from the world. We've been told that the Metaverse was a failed experiment. But something has shifted. Deep inside Reality Labs, Mark Zuckerberg has stopped playing it safe. The billions of dollars in R&D are finally coalescing into a single point of impact. This is the Meta Quest 4, and it is the most aggressive, most disruptive piece of hardware the industry has ever seen. If you think the Quest 3 was a leap, or if you've been eyeing the $3,500 Apple Vision Pro, you need to listen very closely. Meta is about to drop a Vision Pro killer for a fraction of the price, and it's going to change how you work, play, and perceive reality forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Why now? Why is Quest 4 the most important product in Meta's history? Because the race for spatial computing has turned into a sprint. We are no longer just playing Beat Saber. We are entering an age where your digital world and your physical world are merging into one. The Quest 4 isn't just a headset, it's a pair of glasses that think they're a supercomputer. While the world was focused on the AI software wars, Meta was quietly perfecting the neural pass-through architecture. By the time this video is over, you'll understand why the Quest 4 is the only device you'll need to replace your laptop, your TV, and your gaming console, and why the competition is absolutely terrified. Let's talk about the heart of the machine, the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2. This isn't just a mobile chip, it's a customized beast built on a 3-nanometer process. We aren't talking about a small spec bump. We are talking about the debut of zero-latency spatial mapping. The XR3 is designed to handle trillion-operation AI tasks locally. Imagine walking through your house and having the headset instantly recognize every surface, every light source, and every shadow, then overlaying digital objects that look so real your brain can't distinguish them from physical matter. This is the Turing test for mixed reality, and the Quest 4 is passing it with flying colors. But power is useless if the headset is uncomfortable. This is where the Quest 4 redesign changes everything. Meta has finally moved the battery. By using a balanced halo strap system that houses a high-density curved battery at the back of the head, the front of the headset has shrunk by nearly 40%. It no longer feels like a brick pulling on your face. It feels like a premium pair of ski goggles. And the weight. It's been slashed. You can wear this for 4 hours of work or gaming without the VR face red marks or the neck strain that plagued the Quest 2 and 3. Let's look at the hidden revolution, the optics. Meta is introducing Hyper Pancake lenses. For years, VR lenses had sweet spots. If you didn't look perfectly through the center, everything was blurry. The Quest 4 lenses are sharp from edge to edge. But the real star is the dual OLED micro-display system. We are finally getting 4K resolution per eye. We're talking about 35 pixels per degree. This is the threshold where the screen door effect completely vanishes. You can read fine text on a virtual monitor. You can watch a 4K movie on a virtual 200-inch screen, and it looks better than the OLED TV in your living room. But why is the USA market specifically obsessed with this machine?